So finally got this finished. You can see the weight stacks in place. Haven't put the pin in yet, the selector pin. I'll sort that in a minute. But yeah, you've got the row, low row and bicep curl bar at the bottom there with the chain. And there's the pulley system. And the lat pull down. Really pleased with it. You can see it's all finished. The only bit that I haven't done yet is I haven't unpacked that final box, which is the leg extension, leg curl attachment for this bench. So I need to get that sorted out. I'm just waiting on my 5K plates to arrive. They haven't arrived yet, and I've got a tricep pull down bar attachment that goes on there as well. So that's it, it's all done. Really pleased with it all. And Powerhouse UK have been fantastic. So yeah, really pleased.